Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Pepe update today. And I like it when technical targets get met. So 2 days ago we had a video, and this video is known as look at this trend line. Okay, so I'm going to show you this video and I'm going to show you something that is going on. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome. Bitcoin has been consolidating as well, and Pepe has been consolidating another day. The next thing that I want to say in this trend line, now number makes sense in a while, is to take the trend line and actually make the trend line like that. And what do you see? I do see that 1 support, 2 support, 3 support, 4, a loss of a trend line, a move back up, and a retest potentially. And this retest, to me, push above here and take this top, it will be a bad idea. A very clear loss of support. Now the thing is that it does look like you're making a mini bear flag on the daily as well, something like that. Okay, you've come down, and actually this looks like a bear flag right now. And if this bear flag gets lost and you start to go down again, and I'm looking for a technical target, and we might be looking at in the future 6565. Now since that is already said and done, we met the target, we've come down. There's another target as well that was nearly met, so we got a little bit even lower right there. But I do think you're looking for 5682. This is the main place where I think Pepe is looking forward to actually touch down there. So at this point of time, it's really hard to say if we are interested to keep on moving to the downside. Now I don't know what this really is, but this looks like a very big weird wicky candle to the downside. But for some reason I still think Pepe has a little bit of a room left to come down here, but it's still hard to say if it will come down or not, because at this point, if it starts to pump to the upside, that can be expected. And I'm just going to bring this trend line a little bit and stretch it like that. On the 4-hour time frame, I want to show you this one trend line on the RSI. So you have one support here, move up, another support there, a move up, one support here, and you're looking for this next support. So basically, you're coming down to a place where Pepe has been supported quite heavily as well. But we might still see a little bit more sideways movement, consolidations, take some stop loss, and then probably pump back up, maybe pump back up to 8,000 again, who knows, okay? But one thing that really bothers me, and I've said this before as well, is the fact that you don't have any support right over there, okay? And you have a whole trip to go down for a holiday towards the South Caribbean. So this here, this area has nothing, it's completely empty. All you can see is once upon a time, Pepe just took over right over there, and you don't have any support. Look, it's just an impulsive move. All of this move is just impulsive. No support, no resistances, nothing here until you didn't start to do it right at this area, okay, where you jump and you hold this support, and then you start to move back up. And then in the future, you came down again, you hold that support right over there, and then you move back up. And in here, you came down, you lose the support, and you retest it as a bearish retest. So this, to me, is going to be a bit of a problem. And I cannot even tell you that if Pepe comes here, can it pump back up? Well, there's only one support for a pump, and it's not on the candles, it's only on the RSI itself. This right over here, 1, 2, and a third one. So we've seen back in the history that every time you touch it, you went down, you touch it, you went to the upside, sorry. But keep in mind, we can also lose support here, but unless we don't lose it, I think we have a little bit of a chance that at this area, 5,000, 6,000, we get a small relief back to 7 or 8,000. Let's see. Time will tell. As candles print out, we're going to get to know if anything is going to push to the upside. Now I do see one candle which is a dragonfly. So this one is known as a dragonfly right over there, and this is normally a reversal candle back to the upside as well. So that's a very good candle, but unfortunately it's not that strong, even though it is a candle that is a reversal one. But I have a little bit of a doubt that we might still come down because we have a technical target here, And that technical target basically is on the daily. So I just want to show you one more time that if you dive into the daily, you have this bear flag. Okay, so you move to the downside here, you made that bear flag, you pop down, and you have this technical target right there, which hasn't been met. You still have a little bit of a room to come down and take even stop loss, and then from here maybe pump back up. And that's it for Pepe update. Again, like this video because I wanted to reach more people. You can see we're killing it with Pepe. I've even lost count on how many times my technical target has already been met on Pepe. It's just crazy, unbelievable. Even I'm surprised a little bit by myself. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.